Please open your book page 196 and 197. Please write down 2 pages of today's date on your upper right. Today is 9 December 2020, and the next page, page 197, you also have to write down the date on your upper right. Today is 9th of December 2020. Please write down 2 pages of today's date. And now we're going to look at the page 196 first. The first question here, Anne has 14 pencils. Her sister gives her 3 more. How many pencils has she now? So Anne has how many pencils now? So she got 14 pencils. Then her sister gives her 3 more. So just write down 14 that Anne has 14 pencils. After that, her sister gives her 3 more. So how many pencils that she has now? So how many pencils that she has now? The total pencils that Anne has, isn't it? So now we are going to count the total pencil that Anne has. So we have to plus, okay? We have to count the total the total pencils that Anne has. So now we are going to count this. 14 plus 3 equal. First we have to underline the ones, and now we are going to count the ones. 4 plus 3 equal. Plus is circle the biggest number. So circle the 4. Put inside my head. Show my finger 3. How many inside my head? 4, 5, 6, 7. So I write down here 7. 1 plus 0 equal. Plus is circle the biggest number. So circle the 1. Put inside my head. Show my finger 0. How many inside my head? 1. 1. So I write down here 1. The answer is 17. So now after her sister gives her 3 more pencils, so Anne has 17 pencils now. In 28, Claire made 19 apple pies. She gave 5 away. How many did she have left? When you see the word left, then you'll know, and you just can look at the questions. So Claire is a girl, okay? So Claire, she made 19 apple pies. She gave 5 away. She gave 5 away. So the total apple pies that Claire has made are 19 apple pies, isn't it? So Claire has made 19 apple pies. Then she gave 5 away. So how many did she have left? So now we just use the total number. The total number that Claire have, and how many that she have gave away? She has gave away 5. Then now I want to know this question. It wants to know that how many does she have left. So you just use minus, then you just can get the numbers that she have left. So now we are going to count this. 19 minus 5 equal. Minus, first we have to underline the ones, and now we are going to count the ones first. 9 minus 5 equal. Minus, I show my sweet, so show my finger 9. Cut 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Left 4. So I write down here 4. 1 minus 0 equal how many? Minus, I show my sweet, so show my finger 1. Cut 0. No need cut. Left 1. So I write down here 1. And this one, Jolie has 18 stamps. She gives 4 to Mike and 12 to Lisa. How many stamps does she have left? So you see the words left. And you just look at the questions, okay? You can know maybe will be minus, okay, but you also have to look at the question. So Jolly has 18 stamps. She gives 4 to Mike. She gives 4 to Mike and 12 to Lisa. So she also gives 12 to Lisa. So the total stamps that Jolly has, 18. Then she gives 4 to Mike and 12 to Lisa. So how many stamps does she have left? Now the question wants you to count the stamps that Jolly has left, how many. So you just use the total, then she already gave to Mike and Lisa, then she left how many. So let's count this. 18 minus 4 minus 12 equal minus I just have to draw I have to underline first, sorry. So minus I show my sweet, so minus 8 minus 4 minus 2 equal minus I show my sweet, show my finger 8, cut 4, 1 2 3 4, cut 2, 1 2, left 2, so I write down here 2. And now we are going to count the tens. 1 minus 0 minus 1 equal minus I show my sweet, show my finger 1, cut 0, no need cut 1, left 0, we no need to write 0 here. So the answer is Jolly has 2 stamps left, okay? And this one, Sam has 14 blue, 2 red and 3 green caps. How many caps that Sam have all together? So here, this one wants you to count the total caps that Sam have. So we just take this 14 and 2 and 3, then equal. 14 plus 2 plus 3 equal. First, you have to underline the ones. And now we're going to count the ones first. 4 plus 2 plus 3 equal. Plus is circle the biggest number. So circle the 4. Put inside my head. Show my finger 2. Show my finger 3. 1, 2, 3. How many inside my head? 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9. So I write down here 9. And now we're going to count the tens. 1 plus 0 plus 0 equal. Plus I circle the biggest number. So circle the 1. Put inside my head. Show my finger 0. Show my finger 0. How many inside my head? 1. 1. So I write down here 1. The answer is 19. So Sam has 19 caps all together. And now please look at this exercise here. Write the numerals for example 50. You just write down 50 here, okay, like this. 34, then you just write down 34 in the box here. And this one 28, this one you just write down 28. Okay, so this you have to do it as your homework. And now please look at the next page, page 197. Arrange these numbers in order starting from the smallest. For an example, here, this one, which one is the biggest? Which one is the smallest number? You can just look at the tens first, okay? You just underline the ones. Then you don't look at the ones first. You just look at the tens first, okay? The tens first. Which one is the smallest? Here, the tens 4, 3, 3, and 2. Which one is the smallest? 2, isn't it? Then the 2 is the smallest. Is it the smallest? Here goes some 2 or smaller than 2? No. So this one is the smallest number. So we just write down 22 first. Then after that, we already write down. Then we just cross out. Okay. Then Now we're going to see these three numbers. Which one is the which one is the smallest number? Okay, so we can just look at the tens. So you can, when you want to find out the smallest number, you can just look at the tens first. So here the tens got 4, 3, 3. So you got 2, 3. So which one is the smallest? 4 or 3? 3, isn't it? But here got 3, 2, 3, 3 tens. So how? We just look at the ones. The ones, which one is the smallest? 7 or 9? 7, isn't it? So 37 is the smallest. Then you write down 37. After you write down 37, then you just cross out. And now left 40 and 39. We also have to see which one is the smallest. So now we are going to look at tens first. 4 and 3. Which one is the smallest? 3, isn't it? So is it good the others number that are smaller than 3? No. So this one is the smallest number here. So 39. Write down 39. Then the last one, you just write down 40, then cross out. And now the second one. You have to find out the smallest number first. Then you just write in the first box. Okay, this one you just have to write the numbers in order starting from the smallest number. So which one is the smallest? You have to look at the tens first. Okay, the tens, here got 4, 2, 3, 2. So which one is the smallest? 2, isn't it? But here got 2, 2, isn't it? So we just look at the ones. Here is 1 and here is 6. So which one is smaller? 20. The one is smaller, isn't it? So 21 is the smallest. So I write down 21. Then now also the same, you just have to look at the tens. Which one is the smallest? 2, isn't it? Is it smaller than 2? No. So you just write down 26. 26 is the smallest. And now this one, 4 and 3. Which one is the smallest? 3, isn't it? 3 is smaller. So you just write down 33. And the last one is 47. You just write down 47. And down here, this one you have to do it by yourself. And add, add. Okay, first we have to do this first question. 40 plus 6 plus 3 equal. First we have to draw a middle line to separate them. And now we're going to count the ones first. 0 plus 6 plus 3 equal. Plus we just circle the biggest number. So circle the 6, put inside my head, show my finger 0, show my finger 3, 1, 2, 3. So how many inside my head? 6, 7, 8, 9. So I write down here 9. 4 plus 0 plus 0 equal. Here is nothing, so you just pull it down and write down here 4. The answer is 49. And the others, you have to do it as your homework.